Welcome, journeyed listener, to the 7th series of the Biologic Podcast. Here, you will be immersed in ecology, which examines the behaviors and influence that all organisms have on one another, and how they interact with and respond to the challenges of their habitat. Ecology is an eye-opening and invaluable field of study, which informs us of not just the macro-scale effect of all the bacteria and plants and animals out there, but also the macro-scale effect of us, of humans, and our industrial activity and urbanization. First, I'll introduce the basics of ecology, exploring what it is, why it's important, and how ecology is really a combined effort of numerous fields of science, from zoology and botany and biochemistry to geology, hydrology, geography, and meteorology that are all combined to give us this really intense, in-depth, and detailed dynamic picture of the world around us. So as to not be so overwhelming, in the next episode I'll scale it back a bit and examine behavioral ecology, which is how an individual organism behaves in and interacts with its environment. As this exploration of ecology moves on, we'll scale things up and we'll move outwards and examine the ecology of populations, of herds and flocks, and other such groupings of individuals. And then the ecology of communities, of multiple different species all interacting together, like a bug that lives on a tree, which also hosts a bird that hunts the bug, and a primate species also lives in the tree, and there's alligators that live in the swamp below that try to eat the primate, and they all interact with and support each other as predator and prey, host and symbiote, or host and parasite, or something else entirely. Dive into the beauty of the living, breathing interconnectedness of all life that will be explored in this series on ecology.